All right, let's talk about the GoPro Hero 14 leaks because things are getting very interesting this year. For the first time in a long while, GoPro actually skipped its usual annual refresh cycle in 2025, meaning we didn't get a Hero 14 Black when many people expected it. Now, all eyes are on 2026, and based on official statements plus industry chatter, this could be one of the biggest upgrades GoPro has made in years. First, let's start with what's officially confirmed. GoPro has announced that it will unveil a new generation of cameras at the 2026 NAB show happening April 19th to April 22nd. These upcoming cameras will be powered by the brand new GP3 image processor. That's a major deal because GoPro has been using variations of GP2 processor since the Hero 10. According to the company, GP3 will bring larger sensors, improved low-light performance, higher resolutions, higher frame rates, AI-enhanced imaging features, better thermal performance, and improved battery efficiency. While GoPro did not specifically confirm the name Hero 14 Black, most industry insiders believe the Hero 14 will be part of this GP3 generation. Now, let's talk about the rumored hardware upgrades. Multiple leaks suggest the Hero 14 could feature a larger sensor than what we've seen since the Hero 11's 1x1.9-inch sensor. Some speculation points toward a possible 1-inch type sensor, although that has not been confirmed. If that happens, it would dramatically improve dynamic range and low light quality, two areas where action cameras traditionally struggle. Even if it's not a full 1-inch sensor, leaks strongly suggest it will be physically larger than previous Hero models. Resolution and frame rate improvements are also expected. The Hero 13 Black already pushed high-resolution video modes, so with GP3 on board, the Hero 14 could potentially support higher bitrate recording, better 5.3K refinement, and possibly improved 8K experimentation, though 8K remains speculative. Higher frame rates for slow motion are also rumored, possibly improving on 4K 120 FPS performance with better thermal stability. Speaking of thermals, overheating has been one of the biggest complaints in recent GoPro models when shooting at maximum resolution. GoPro specifically mentioned improved thermal performance in their GP3 announcement, which strongly suggests the Hero 14 could record high-resolution video for longer periods without shutting down. That alone would be a huge real-world upgrade for creators. Battery life is another area expected to improve. While no exact milliamp hour figures have leaked, GoPro claims better power efficiency thanks to GP3. That likely means longer recording times at high resolutions and potentially improved standby performance. Some rumors even suggest optimized power management for AI-based features, which could include smarter auto exposure adjustments or enhanced subject tracking. Now let's talk stabilization. GoPro's hyper-smooth technology has been industry-leading for years. While no official version number has been confirmed, it's almost guaranteed the Hero 14 will feature an upgraded stabilization algorithm powered by GP3. With more processing power and AI integration, stabilization could become even more accurate, especially in complex motion scenarios like mountain biking or FPV footage. Design-wise, don't expect a massive overhaul. GoPro traditionally keeps its waterproof rating at 10 meters without a housing, and there's no indication that will change. However, improved heat dissipation internally could slightly adjust body materials or internal layout. Another interesting rumor involves AI-enhanced imaging. GoPro specifically mentioned AI in their GP3 press materials. That could mean smarter scene detection, better HDR processing, improved noise reduction in low light, and possibly more advanced automatic editing features inside the GoPro Quick ecosystem. Now here's what's not confirmed yet. There is no official spec sheet detailing megapixels, exact frame rates, bitrate numbers, or sensor size. There's also no confirmed release date for the Hero 14 Black specifically, only the April 2026 GP3 launch window. Pricing is also completely unknown at this stage. So, here's the big picture. GoPro skipping a 2025 refresh suggests they're preparing for a bigger leap instead of a small incremental update. with GP3 promising larger sensors, better low light performance, higher resolutions, higher frame rates, improved thermals, AI enhancements, and better battery efficiency, the Hero 14 could represent the most significant generational jump since the Hero 10 introduced GP2. If even half of these leaks turn out to be accurate, especially the larger sensor and thermal improvements, the GoPro Hero 14 could easily become the new benchmark for action cameras in 2026. Now the only thing left is to see what GoPro officially reveals at NAB in April.